So now I'm going to demo my system, and first I will click on the application, and then this logo will pop up because the user has no internet connection. And after I open my Wi-Fi, the logo will disappear. And then if the user do not have an account, they can register here, and then they cannot submit the now object to the database, and then they can start registering. And when I click register, the registration is successfully. So now I will log into the system. And now I successfully log into my system, and this is the first page after the user login, and it consists of 6 different sections. So this is the home page. So firstly, the teachers can create their quiz at this site. So the teachers can select the image from their gallery, and then enter the title and description for the quiz. And the user need to wait the image finish loading before they can save the quiz. Okay, so the user need to save the quiz first before they can add the question. So if they click the add question, it will pop up an error. So the quiz is saved, then we can add the question right now. So the user can choose the time for the question, and then also adding the image for the question. So they must enter the question title and also the first 2 options. If not, it will pop up the error. And also they must have to pick at least one correct answer. If not, it will pop up the error. Okay, now the question is successfully saved. Okay, right now if the user have finished to add the questions, they can just click the done button, and then they will forward to this page. So for this page, the user can choose to edit their question again, or they can view the question like this. So if they choose to edit the question, they can add the options, or delete the questions, or add the or change the questions. Also can change the time, and then I click save. Okay, so it is successfully updated, and then I will click this done. Okay, so the quiz is totally updated. So the user also can view their quiz from this my quiz, and then choose the quiz they have created here. And also they can delete the quiz by clicking this button, and then an alert message will be shown. If they click cancel, it will not be deleted, and if they click OK, this quiz will be deleted, and the number of quiz also updated to 3. And now I'm going to show how to host this game. So now I'm going to host this game, and then this 6 digits is auto-generated by the system, and then I will use my another phone to join this game. And then you can see one person is joined this game, and then I will click start, and then the teachers will forward to the scoreboard, and then when the students start answer, it will come out the score. If they are correct, it will increment 1000. If wrong, it will increment by 200. So if the students finish answer, the teachers can click the end quiz, and then the quiz will be end, and the students will not available to join the quiz anymore. So now I'm going to show how the students enter the game. First they enter the pin. If the pin is wrong, it will pop up an error. If the pin is correct, they will go to the game. And this is the game when the game start. And then if the students not picking the options, it will count as wrong. So when the timer is finished, option is not clicked and your answer is false. And then for this, when the user click on the question, click on the option, and then it will count it as correct. And if the questions all have been done, it will forward to this scoreboard page for the students, and then students can click finish to go back to the home page. And now the teachers can check the report at here, and it also will list the date when the teachers host the game. And then you can see that accuracy is 0 because the students answer 2 of the questions wrongly, and then the teachers can click next to see the individual report. So the next function is classroom, where the teachers can create their own class to let other students join. And then same, the class name cannot be now, and the field cannot be left blank. So this is the class and successfully created, and it will generate the 6 digits of the invitation code, so the other students can join into your class. And then when you click on the class first page, you will see the participant. And then because nobody joined this class yet, so I will use my another phone to join this class. So now you can see the user has successfully joined the class, and then the teacher can choose to kick this student or not. And then the teachers can make a notice in this classroom. Let's say I create one notice. And then this notice will pop up as the notifications every time the user enters this app. And then this report is for the homework. And for the homework, the teachers can assign from here also. Click homework, and then the teachers can set the homework title. And then they can assign to their class. Because I have only one class, so I will just choose this. And then for the due date, and then also for the time, and click assign. And then it will pop up a message successfully assigned. And then the report will show here. And then because nobody answered the quiz, the homework yet, so the accuracy is still 0%. And then for the next button, it also can show the individual report for the homework for the students who answer this homework. So now I'm going to show the view of the students in the joint class. And then just now I will join the physics class. And then first page will be the notice. And then the second page will be the results, will be the homework, sorry. And this homework, you can see there's a countdown timer there. And if the countdown timer ends, then the homework will be disappear from here. And then results. After the user answer the questions, they cannot see the result yet. They need to wait until the due date finish, then only they can check for their result. So now I'm going to join the homework first. This homework is different from the game. When the user click on it, it will direct it to the next question straight away. They do not need to wait for the other players. So now the user has finished the homework. Because for the testing purpose, I just reset the time from the database again. So after the timer finish countdown, this homework will be disappear from the students. And since the students have attempt and he cannot attempt the homework again, no more attempt allowed is displayed under the phone. And then you can see no result right here. After this homework due, then the result of the students only will be shown. Okay, the homework is due, and then the result is right here for the students. And then they can check their answer for this. It will show the answer that the user picked and also the right answer for this quiz. So next I'm going to show the search function where all of the public quiz will be shown here, and then the user can find a quiz with the keywords like A, P, and then the quiz will be shown. And then they can click into the quiz and see the questions. And when they click on these questions, it will come out with the questions and the answer. And they can choose to host or assign as a homework for their students. And then the last one is the setting, where the user can choose to edit their profile. Okay, the profile is successfully edited. Okay, now for the change password, the user must enter the old password first. If the old password is wrong, let's say, it will pop up an error, your old password is wrong. So now I try to enter the correct old password, and then I answer the new password wrong. So if the new password they are not matched, it also will come out an error. So now I enter the new password with match. So it will come out and message update successfully. So there are also a few contact us. It will go to the email. Go to the email. This is my email, and then the user can contact me if the apps have any problem, and terms and condition, and also about us. And finally log out to the system. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.